In this video, I'll be showing you how to add authentication to your C++ application within minutes. Whether you're using x64 or x86 for your C++ program, this will be the same exact logic. Simply head over to github.com/keyauth and search for a C++ example. The link will be down in the description. Click on the green code button and then download a zip. Once you download it, you will see x64 or x86. Click on whichever one your program is in. I will click on x64 and then open up the example.sln. Once you are here, you will see all of the authentication files. The main.cpp is just our example file showing you how the functions are actually called, and then the actual functions themselves are in the library x64.lib. If you would like access to this library, the link will be down in the description below. You can make modifications or change anything if it better suits your program. You will see lines right here. These are for your application credentials. To obtain them, simply head over to keyauth.cc or keyauth.win. As soon as you log in, you will be required to create an app or select an application if you are an existing user. Click on the C++ tab underneath the application credentials, and then click the copy button. Then you can head back over to your code. Make sure that you paste in all of the credentials. If you are curious about the path, I will leave a link down in the description for a tutorial and explanation on what the path actually does, just for those people that want to have a better understanding or a secondary authentication method. Before you build it, of course, make sure that your program is always set to release. If it is set to debug, you will have errors. You also want to make sure that you are on x64 or x86, whichever one your program is actually running on. And one other thing that you need to know is if you are using our 1.3 API endpoint, it will not work in DLLs as of now. We are making an update, so it will work in DLLs in the future, but you will have to use our 1.2 endpoint if your program is a DLL instead. Of course, if you have any issues with any of this setup, or you just do not understand some of the functions or how things properly work, feel free to comment down below, or you can create a ticket on our website. Link will also be down in the description. As always, thanks for watching.